मतलब just for headline, they're more than Ronaldo.
I
They have
love
now
this chart.
different
This
channels.
is such a good chart.
Creator flywheel runs separately, and the business flywheel is continuously latching on from that, and like it's like earned media, right? Which is why you're
Yeah.
able to grow profitably, because every edtech business failed on profitability.
PW's marketing spend is only 10%. And with very minimal marketing spend, probably 60, 70%, 50% EBITDA business. My sense is 1400 crores online and 90% gross margin business. Product ऐसा बनाओ कि marketing की जरूरत ना पड़े if you want to sell to Bharat. This is the sector and the amount of money raised, and this is the first company which has gone to do IPO. मोहल्ला गंदा है but लड़का अच्छा है.
Hey everyone, welcome to episode 56 of the Asymmetric Podcast. Light episode today. We discuss the latest IPO, PhysicsWallah. A little bit of banter on what does it take to get a successful IPO through. Bunch of IPOs, some are trading at 80% above price, some are trading at price. What has gone well? What should have been better? A lot of debate on how should founders think about IPO, if at all. I know a few of you have got bored with our conversations around brands, quick commerce, and IPOs, but unfortunately, nothing much is happening in India apart from these three as of now. Special shout out to Harnoor Saini, who again helped with a little bit of prep on the PhysicsWallah IPO and the understanding of the business as well. Hope you guys like it.
This is the sector and the amount of money raised, and this is the first company which has gone to do IPO. First VC-backed tech company.
Wow.
And apparently, it's less than 5 years old as a company. Company 5 साल से कम young है.
2020 they were registered. I think he made a very interesting opening mark today. Opening speech today. Wherein he said, "मोहल्ला गंदा है, but लड़का अच्छा है." You know, it's a phenomenal execution, yaar. Ki, I think they missed they skipped the entire VC funnel, right? Ended up doing a $1 billion valuation round, 100 million
Westbridge
from
came in, right?
Westbridge. Westbridge came in. और मैं इंटरेस्टिंगली ये देख रहा था कि वेस्टब्रिज लीड स्कूल में भी है, जीएसवी वेंचर्स भी है. अच्छा, वेस्टब्रिज और
GSV is
किसी
a
में नहीं
tech
है.
focused fund.
हाँ, तो जीएसवी आल्सो केम इन फिजिक्स वाला में. वेस्टब्रिज इज इन वेदांतु आल्सो.
Vedantu also. It's a active education investor.
Yep. And में तो यार an investor has to allocate different pools of capital and different sectors where they'll want to take the best bets, right? कि अच्छा fintech में, let's say lending में मेरे को what are the asset I want to invest in? Wealth में what is the asset I want to invest in? And people will go about it that way, right? You need allocation in everything that will, like, the macro India will grow, consumption will grow, उसके लिए these sectors will grow, इसमें these sub-sectors will grow, और उसमें best asset क्या है? What is the best management team and best business model to back? That's a very top-down approach to investing, right? Mutual funds will have the same, ना? कि tech में, I don't, like, ठीक है, Byju's is done, Unacademy apparently is on the block, Vedantu, I don't know whether it'll come for IPO. Isme the only ones that may come up for IPO would be Upgrad and maybe Eruditus, because they seem to be models that actually the only ones surviving. The rest, I don't know, if they're even surviving today. So if there is an asset that in 5 years has created at least $3 billion of value, then why would I bet against it becoming 6 billion in whatever, let's say 3 more years? So I am actually surprised the IPO was so undersubscribed per se, but maybe you have more nuance, Chirag.
Yeah, the undersubscription I think is a little bit of a miss by the market. It looks like undersubscribed तो नहीं होना चाहिए for the value which it came at. But I think the more interesting part is the business. You know, I think they took a very different route. So, you know, as you were saying, that company 2020 में form हुआ है, but actually the journey started, or the underground work started in 2016, wherein Alak Pandey launched a PhysicsWallah YouTube channel, right? And he scaled that for almost 4-5 years without doing anything, running on YouTube ads, and then doing like coaching in a physical location as well. And then 2020 is when he launched a app of his own. And then the journey started off, okay, app pe log aa gaye. Okay, then can we do paid courses, paid classes, etc., etc. And then 2022 is when Westbridge got them. They were already doing 200 crores of revenue. I think काफी interesting मुझे वो journey लगी कि, you know, it's almost taken 5 years of gestation for the business.
Yeah.
And this has similarities to, you know, what we were discussing, Bharat. If you,
Yeah,
when
this
we
is-
go to financials. But just to give
Sorry.
more
इसमें क्या
Before
है ना,
that,
I tell you the
Chirag,
thing with education ना, the thing with education is that the entire moat of education is superstar teachers. The entire moat.
Correct.
Whether it's JEE, UPSC, whatever, you look at Drishti, IAS, or some of these guys, the main teacher is the moat. That's where the value sits. Isme somehow Alak has gotten this right because he's the main teacher and the main physics moat, and he's the founder also. So he's been able to actually do this. जो चिराग आप बोलते थे ना,
He-
content to commerce is this the
Correct.
best
This is a
example
classic
of
story.
content to commerce. Because
Even
everyone has a struggle there.
even Byju's is he was also a maths teacher.
Exactly. The reason why Byju's was so much better on retention and some of the other metrics in its early days was because Baiju Ravindran used to fill up stadiums, yaar, as a
Yeah.
teacher. He used to fill up stadiums. So when you have that kind of pull, then the ability to kind of get people in, get them to subscribe, kind of buy something is very high. As opposed to being like a enabler who hire, like a FITGI is an enabler institute, right? Which will hire like superstar teachers who and attraction will be very high. So that's a
ये
distinct
बहुत सही
difference.
point है. I think they have really cracked the content to commerce one
Commerce.
and content also for Bharat. Right?
Yeah.
Look at this. This is how they rank in terms of, let's say, channels which have number of subscribers. So Physics Wala
Wow.
as a group is close to 100 million, while Physics Wala is 13 million.
I
They have
love
now
this chart.
different
This
channels.
is such a good chart.
They are,
एक
just
बात
for
पता
headline,
चला,
they're more than Ronaldo.
do you think we had discussed this, I think 2-3 episodes back, which was creator-led brands, and we were speaking more as D2C brands, but isn't this an example where there was a
Exactly.
creator
absolutely.
who had
This is
massive
D2C
following,
only. Yes.
but and I think his co-founder runs the ops and the business, who gave the IPO speech, and I think there was a comment somewhere where he said we have de-risked Alak's
Yes.
personal
Yes.
brand, and this also, the business is now actually much more beyond Alak. But the
Correct,
initial
correct.
GTM was all based on monetizing the number one physics teacher on YouTube and telling that, yaar, iske around business banate hain. And then we will de-risk by making sure there are more channels and more content and more creators. And that creator flywheel runs separately, and the business flywheel is continuously latching on from that. And it's like earned media, right? Which is why you're
Yeah.
able to grow profitably, because every edtech business failed on profitability largely.
यार सबसे बड़ा
There,
मार्केटिंग कॉस्ट है ना, इसलिए दैट्स व्हाई एवरीवन सेड कि ऑफलाइन चलो. इन्होंने
Also, by the
पूरा
way,
फनल सॉल्व कर लिया है. सो दे हैव अ
मैंने
वेरी
also,
गुड फनल
yeah.
गोइंग इन. एंड
यार physics,
एजुकेशन पे बाय द वे, जस्ट फॉर कॉन्टेक्स्ट, एजुकेशन पे 100 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स के चैनल्स बनाना, मिस्टर
बहुत
बीस इज
tough है यार.
450 million. वी नो द काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट मिस्टर बीस डज. राइट.
यार मैं एक बात
100
बताऊं क्या
million.
आपको, I just feel कि there is something about 11th and 12th JEE prep. There is something about boys in that age who latch on to heroes, because boys have typically had female teachers till 10th standard. Across school, across tuitions, there are female teachers, so relatable role modeling is less. 11th, 12th में मेरे को clearly याद है, 11th, 12th when I went to Bansal classes, boss, we used to dote over that BK Bansal teacher who used to be in a wheelchair. And Alak Pandey, one is of course being good at physics and teaching and being able to like deliver a great chapter on. I've seen a lot of his courses, by the way. वो बहुत सही सिखाता है, rotation, motion, angular velocity. Fun day सही है, but his emotional hold on the viewer is crazy. It's crazy. You can compare it to like Khan sir, for example. I don't know if you guys have watched Khan sir who does UPSC. You can compare it to like some of these emotional, like बच्चों को लगता है यार this is like second father figure है ये. And that I think is what is the brand. It's not really the physics as much as it is this part of it. बहुत बहुत
You mean
insane
the
hook है ये.
connect is very, very real, and you are also saying that male to male connect is missing, was missing till 10.
Till 10th. मेरे को तो लगता है this is my strong hypothesis.
What observation.
नहीं, आपको नहीं लगता? आप सोचो थोड़ा. 10th तक आपकी कौन सी टीचर मेल थे आपके? बट 11
जो
12
थे
में
वो
only
स्केल, वो
sports teachers.
लकड़ियां स्केल से मारते थे. हाँ.
करेक्ट. पीटी टीचर होगा, एक हाथ दुक्का होगा यार मेल टीचर. मोस्टली फीमेल टीचर. Nothing wrong with it. I'm just saying boys growing up will need male role modeling. The first time it happens in life is in 11th, 12th in JEE prep or NEET prep or whatever.
I mean,
This is what.
while this will be a little debatable or not, at least for me, at least the second order effect of just looking at this is very few people, like a lot of people talk about Prime or Feastables, which is like 500 million or $1 billion in revenue, which largely sells chocolates. But Mr. Beast has so many subscribers, and monetization in the US at high ARPUs was always
Yeah.
easy. But if I look at a T-Series, Cocomelon, Sony, Carrie Minati, or Logan Paul did Prime, I think. So clearly he's figured
Yeah.
out that GTM. India mein, and this was a debate. Yesterday, I was on a chat show where they said creator brands chalenge, nahi chalenge. And I think there's a lot of talk around the fact that they may start off well. I think, Shantanu, you had only said on one of our episodes that they may not do well in the future. But yeah, Physics Wala is a great example that if you get the operating model right? कि content अपना content बना रहा है, the face
Correct.
and you know
And the
that engine
operator
is
is doing the
working, but the operator is doing great things on operating.
Correct.
You
No,
need
but
both
here,
of those.
no, distinct, very distinct thing. Here in Physics Wala, you are the product. You are not selling the product. Logan Paul is selling Prime. Mr. Beast is selling Feastable. They are not the product. Physics Wala is the Alak Pandey is the product. And then
No longer now.
distinguish it. No,
No
not
longer
now.
started
now.
that way.
But for 10 years it was. If he was doing what he's doing today, 10 years back, it would not have been a business.
I don't disagree, but clearly it shows that over time you can de-risk the person because सबका ये question होगा ना कि यार कल अगर अलग का मूड चला गया कि नहीं physics सिखाना है तो क्या होगा business का? This is mass. See, $5 billion business cannot be put at risk because तो अलग पांडे का मूड नहीं है ना करके.
So there are some models, RB, where the person is the product for a long time and then the person creates clones and then the clones become like a more, redundancy creating. So for example, Devi Shetty and Narayan Hridayalaya, classic. A doctor hospital setup is also very similar. The star product is the star doctor, whether it's Dr. Trehan at Vedanta or Dr. Devi Shetty or Dr. Shroff at the eye clinic. Is he the main guy treating every eye today? Probably not. Or every heart? Probably not. But for good 15, 20 years or whatever, some large amount of gestation period, the doctor and the product is the same. And we have to give it that time. So creators have to be the product for a long enough time.
What
No,
about
we are
think
seeing
about Sachin's brand that you like?
He's
like
not the product.
shoes?
He's not the product. He's the face. It's a very loose connection between him and the product.
But at least they've tried to marry the two,
Loose
product,
है यार
yes, but at least story wise, so they've tried to marry कि ये Sydney inspiration, this
वो।
inspiration.
सिडनी इंस्पिरेशन है इस पे वो ये टो है जिससे सचिन स्वीप शॉट अच्छा मारता है ये सब ठीक है ये कस्टमर नहीं है कस्टमर को पता रहता है कि am I buying Sachin or am I buying a shoe he's peddling like
What about
right?
Wrong and Virat? Do you think that's a
It's
better
not.
integration or a 1A?
No, I don't think so. They're not Virat. They're Virat's businesses. I think K is a better example. Because you see Katrina Kaif coming every time without any makeup putting on her products. So you're kind of buying her because you were buying what she becomes after she uses K. But वो भी लूज लगता है मेरे को.
But वो तो
Making a-
फिर शांतनु मतलब most beauty in सब products में इतना ही establishment हो गया. What do you think about Super You?
हाँ लूज ही है वो मेरे को लगता है. Lose
So it's like celebrity endorsement ही हो गया. You are saying it's not creator का
In
problem.
my view, it's not. See, because what with Alak now, it is very clear the hook is the guy. The hook
Actually,
is
Byju is a good example. Byju's may the first 5 years, like they tried to productize Byju's through tech, that tablet, जिसमें सारा content would be Byju's and Byju would be teaching the course because they tried to. I think if I remember correctly, the advice was 1-to-1 कर रहा है तू या 1-to-100 कर रहा है हर क्लास को तो तू 1-to-10 million कैसे करेगा? So can you productize your courses, create content, put it in a tablet, and then sell the tablet? These guys maybe have figured out a way in the first 3-4 years where Alak could take maybe large number of courses to content, or maybe you didn't need hardware tablets in 2014. The internet just solved for it. Ki first lecture free hai, which is what I think Unacademy also did. The first lecture was free on the YouTube channels. Uske baad you sign up for a subscription and then you get the subsequent lectures of that. That was the Unacademy model also, right? नहीं क्या? अभी भी वही है, I think. Because Unacademy also has a lot of YouTube channels.
They also did
Yeah.
that. So I think मेरे हिसाब से I don't know a lot about Unacademy, but I think the differentiation in the business is जो हम क्लासिक बात करते रहते हैं ना कि if you want to serve भारत, then product ऐसा होना चाहिए जिसमें marketing expenditure ना हो. I think some of that is playing out here. Look at earning per student this year, 3,000 rupees, 3,600 rupees on online. Everyone thinks about selling a 40,000 rupee course, whether it was all of these big ones which were funded. इन्होंने अप्रोच ही डिफरेंट लिया है कि इन्होंने बोला यार हम ऑनलाइन बेचेंगे 3,000 रुपए का बेचेंगे एंड इट इज एज यू वर सेइंग इट इज हाई ऑपरेटिंग लेवरेज देयर इज नो फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट वीडियोस आर डन सब्सक्राइबर्स आर डन एंड यू कंटिन्यू टू मिल्क दैट ऑफ कोर्स नाउ दे हैव गॉन इनटू डूइंग ऑफलाइन आल्सो बिकॉज लार्जर मार्केट सिट्स देयर बट उनका फनल बहुत अच्छा बन गया इफ यू लुक एट इट फ्रॉम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ टिल इन द फर्स्ट 10 years they have cracked online. They know what to sell online. In fact, I think this is even more interesting. If you PW's marketing spend is only 10%.
Hey yaar, this is
This is
the
where
thing
they have
with
done it, yaar.
crazy है
So you're
ये.
saying keep the cost lowest, like बाकी सब लोग 40,000 का बेच रहे थे ऑनलाइन कोर्स भी, इसने बोला भाई पूरे साल का भी 3,000 रुपया ही है. So basically pocket. So actually, last podcast also what Anand mentioned, right? कि
आनंद
एक
keeps
there is a
saying ना कि प्रोडक्ट ऐसा बनाओ कि मार्केटिंग की जरूरत ना पड़े इफ यू वांट टू सेल टू भारत. ओके टू हैव 50% ग्रॉस मार्जिन बट मार्केटिंग नहीं करेंगे. I think this is what they've achieved. That's the low CAC acquisition model for serving low ARPU markets.
which also truly galvanizes the country also, right? Like even if you think from a mission and purpose point of view, like education shouldn't be that expensive. And
So true.
truly everyone will want this company to succeed because they're also making education more accessible for the masses. Like, you know, a lot of people have a problem sometimes with education being for profit. But in this case, I don't think people will have a problem if this guy makes 5-10% profit because they're like, yeah, at least he's making it accessible at the same time
Yeah,
for
yeah.
a large number of people.
I watch a lot of JE prep material on YouTube for like just as like it's
Really?
my hobby time. हाँ मेरे को ये I know this space very well, and frankly I enjoy the content also. It's so well done. Like the
Shantanu,
way the
are you still in trauma that तेरा IIT नहीं पाया तेरे छोटे भाई का हो गया करके बस कर यार.
नहीं, छोटे भाई का हो गया वो नहीं, but मेरा नहीं हुआ उसका. I think there are people in the JE rank 3,000 to 10,000 who carry that trauma for the rest of their lives. I think वो लोग होते
No
हैं.
यार,
I'm one of
आनंद was so bang on यार. मतलब ये अभी भी वो ट्रॉमा लेके चल रहा है
हाँ
कि यार
100%.
मैं मेरे साथ वाले मैकेंजी वाले सब IIT से होके आए थे, मेरा IIT नहीं हुआ, मैं फिर
भाई
JEE
मैं
दूंगा मैं.
I feel कि इसमें ना next level of the leveling up is crazy in this field. So I don't know if you guys are watching what Litmus AI is doing. Basically, while watching a YouTube video, only you can just pause, ask a question, and एक teacher का अवतार आ जाता है which can explain to you in your language what's going on. ये आपने ये डिफरेंशिएशन पे हर कांस्टेंट पे आपने ये लगाया लेकिन इसका सेकंड ऑर्डर पे जीरो कैसे आता है मेरे को चमका नहीं तो वो टीचर इसी लैंग्वेज में समझाएगा आपको लाइक देयर इज नाउ एआई ऑफ दिस नेचर व्हिच इज टोटली गोइंग टू चेंज द एंटायर बिजनेस मॉडल्स ऑफ एजुकेशन डिलीवरी स्पेशली फ्रॉम अ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम स्टैंडपॉइंट बिकॉज़ इट्स गोना गेट सुपर इंटरैक्टिव so I really hope that I think Alak is in the right place right now physics wala because his face and his like all the learning models will have enough foundational data sets already but I think some smart kids who, can actually really break this even more. बहुत सही हो सकता है ये.
So this is on the right hand side is the one in terms of how does a student does its journey, wherein 90 almost 100 million users are watching it on YouTube, and then the journey towards becoming a paid user is like we were discussing. You download an app and then you take a course and then you go deeper in terms of subscribing to different courses. But I think the right hand side is left hand side is more interesting. These are the annual course prices, what others would sell and what these guys are selling at. Clearly very different market, hence a very different strategy, hence the scale, hence the defensibility also. I think it's a if you look at it from this point of view, very defensible. यार यहाँ पे तोड़ना बहुत मुश्किल होता. Everyone wants to go after these high ARPU tier 1 markets. Not focus here because think about it from a point of view of it takes, do you think this, let's say 5-year journey of doing educational content can be hacked and can be reduced? What he did from 2016 to 20. Can that be reduced using AI in some sort?
Yeah, I think so. I think
think
emotional
content-
connect build
हाँ,
content बन
emotional
जाएगा,
connect पे
emotional
question
connect.
है मेरे को.
But emotional connect can be replaced by trust of AI. So for example, actually good question यार. Very
No,
मुझे
मुझे
China में ही हो रहा है.
when I
I don't
was
know if you know.
when I was looking at YouTube subscriber chart था तो मुझे लग रहा था इसके 98 million जो है ना are actually 3x more valuable than let's say the others.
But इसमें पता है एक बात बताओ सिटी इसमें
This is very hard to get यार. YouTube मतलब Cristiano Ronaldo fans you'll get it.
but इसमें cohorting थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा because a large part of these will probably be dormant. They are not really like उनका हो गया JEE तब हो गया अभी कॉलेज में या फिर काम कर रहे होंगे ना ये.
Good point.
Yeah,
Every year
so-
जो आ रहे होंगे, they would move on unless you are able to cross sell them. अच्छा MBA prep also and later in life you're again whatever something.
यार my sense is इसमें जो है ना you look at Shantanu this revenue they have not given a lot of this breakup but 2800 crores में ना 1400 crores is online. My sense is 1400 crores online and 90% gross margin business.
Yeah, that's true.
And with very minimal marketing spend, probably 60, 70%, 50% EBITDA business. This playbook should be, at least it looks applicable. Yeah, is there something, maybe we are also like distant from this business?
I don't know how. So I think anyone who has been a good teacher and built out a good business, we have seen before. Right? A lot of people, like Akash is a classic example. Great teacher built out a great business. I think the only places where teacher, entrepreneurship, and tech, all three combined was physics वाला and Byju's. तीनों चीजें चाहिए ना अपने को. Where
So
तुम
you need an operator, you need a creator / educator,
correct.
and then of course the operator needs to ability to
Great
raise
tech.
also.
Great tech. So वो नहीं हुआ था. We always had two of these three. You always had like operator plus tech, like Vedantu, Unacademy. All of these guys were operators with tech, and then they bought the teacher. Then you had teacher plus, operator.
Unacademy
Which was,
wasn't Roman like a very great teacher. Roman was apparently,
no.
or still is, like known as a great educator.
No, he's an education thinker. He's not a teacher. He has
No,
cracked
he is.
He's cracked.
No. Apparently, I mean, I don't know. I've never heard, but at least from what I heard, Roman like again would fill up classes. I think वहाँ कुछ अलग ही था. Maybe Byju's is a very clear example of the creator not being able to run a business as a like man operator plus creator वहाँ mix हो गया था.
हाँ.
Tech you can always hire for, right? I think Unacademy, at least that was a very clear thing, right? I think Roman was the
Educator.
teacher, educator,
Yeah.
sorry, and I think there was a CTO, and then obviously Gaurav was the operator, and it's a good framework, but good framework.
Mm.
But
And
people
I
generally,
think
and generally, maths में क्यों नहीं हुआ यार?
इसमें
मतलब
होना
math
चाहिए.
has,
So I think every
I'm
city,
sure
for example,
VCs would have thought about it, would have like possibly taken bets also. But I'm generally trying to say कि क्या यार ये जो gestation period है of building a following in a study channel
Mm.
is hard now. And then because of that gestation cycle only that, typically it's hard to raise funds because it'll take 5-7 years to build that.
Correct.
And then once it's built, then the operator kicks in. Operator का तो
Correct.
उससे पहले तो काम ही नहीं है.
Calm. I agree. Fully agree.
I know there's a
think-
superstar teacher who pulls in the crowd, but anyway, बच्चों को सुबह 7 बजे आना है तो यार मतलब मेहनत तो करनी पड़ती है. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि
हाँ, it's a
there's enough
rockstar versus sound guy distinction for the first 2-3 years. Then when you have like a Coldplay level thing, then you need
Yeah,
a great sound guy.
I think you played tabla, Shantanu, so you will appreciate this. Whenever I hear a great, like I hear a Mahesh Kale or these great singers, there's always that great comment. Please send an appreciation for a tabla guy who did such a great job. Because वो क्या होता है ना, वो तुम singer और तबला वाले में कोई तबला वाले को पूछता ही नहीं है. But he is as important as the singer also. Right?
Like, but it's very interesting hoga. Now I'm wondering how, like, if I'm thinking about someone who's in, like, for Hriday and Arnav, for example, what is their model for education in like 5 years is going to be totally different. And that's what physics wala challenge will be. Like, how do you stay ahead of just this whole, because AI can disrupt absolutely disrupt this completely. ये सारा free हो सकता है, by the way, if you really think about it.
मेरे को लग रहा है कि the chances, by the way, if you are really going down that path, it's not just AI, but you need a emotional GTM, and the Korean pop singers have a higher chance of captivating their attention on maths than anybody else. Like, like Arnav is 10, and morning में he was not going to school, he was unwell. So I put on some music in the morning every day. Like, देखिए क्या music लगा है, मैं अपना music लगाता हूँ. And he was like, "No, boss, you're 10. How are you listening to Korean pop?" It's just so.
Globalization
I have a
is so
higher
true these days.
Seriously.
Globalization of trends is so true these days.
But do we have, coming back on topic, do we have more interesting? Yeah, I would love to figure यार कि इसका 10% का जो marketing है, if you are weaning away from Alak's pull, then shouldn't the marketing cost start going up? Because replicating Alak's pull is not going to be easy. So is there a trend where we can see that in the last 5 years, how is the marketing cost going? Because I would assume it will start going up over time. Unless
Please,
the
I don't
offline
know.
centers, because the offline centers could be a risk, by the way, hedge against that. कि जो existing funnel है उसी में और ARPU ले आओ, तो then marketing cost of.
But clearly they've said that the push and the money raised is for offline expansion. वो तो clear हो रहा है. They have become 300 stores यार in like 300 centers already.
Lot,
And do you
I think
do
this
you,
is
do
where
you
the
see them? Let's say in my sense is it'll not be in tier 1.
that is one, because you will have to capture the demand of wherever your current student density is. But now I realize that, yeah, I kept thinking that if you've got to such strong PMF, why do you need these private equity funds? I don't think it's just for money. You need that operating, because your offline center में center EBITDA निकालना is a very different job than doing this online GTM.
1400 crores of FY25 online revenue. अगर खाली इस business को देखें ना, this must be 90% gross margin and a very high EBITDA business.
Yeah.
100%.
Right?
All
Just
that
that
money.
where
would
will
they?
the growth come from? The growth will come from more doing offline, selling more to them.
Would you not want to just buy an offline business rather than create it? Like, why would you do that? Like, or is this offline business of physics wala khud ka business, or is it like some
Cheaper, na?
franchisees? Cheaper to
It's
build,
actually
maybe?
buy versus build में Shantanu, in the end, na, especially when you're a private equity guy like Westbridge, it's a very ruthless optimization discussion कि यार अगर तुझे 500 centers डालने हैं,
Hmm.
who is a physics equivalent like Alan or Akash tutorials, they are much more broader, right? Very different segments. Second, the brand, like what you're saying is आप खरीद लो center और उसको reboard करो, rebrand कर दो. But
Hmm.
teacher तो तुम्हारे ही होंगे ना. You can't use existing teachers because there may not be physics experts only, right? Like you will need a certain standard of physics
Correct.
teaching ability to match अलग से. I think this is a clear build example, and I'm sure they did the math
हाँ,
on
और
build
मतलब
versus
खरीदोगे
buy.
क्या उसमें?
I don't think it's
When
that
you say
expensive to put up
buy,
centers.
what are you
Yeah.
buying actually? Are you buying only the physical infrastructure, which is not like
No,
difficult?
you're
to do?
also buying the operating EBITDA of
The
the
funnels,
current
no?
centers.
You're buying the student funnels, no?
No, but
Student
student
funnel
funnel तो
इसका
इनके
better
पास
है
है
ना,
ना,
cheaper है ना.
इसका बेटर है ना,
नहीं,
इसको
but
पता है मेरे
offline में, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरा अगर गोल्फ कोर्स रोड पे एक लेट्स से विद्या मंदिर है, लेट्स से विद्या मंदिर क्लासेस है, यहाँ पे विद्या मंदिर है, देयर आर 2-3 टीचर्स, दे हैव द रिलेशनशिप विद ऑल द पेरेंट्स ऑफ गोल्फ कोर्स रोड, tie up with the schools, there is certain infrastructure that is already there. It's not just classrooms and whiteboards, right? It's also everything that comes with the funnel of uh, of an educational institute. You're buying
But
the
I
whole thing
think
in addition to the
मेरे को
EBITDA.
नहीं लगता कि they are or their need would be to acquire customer acquisition is not a problem.
Even offline?
Yeah, because they would have them on the app and उसी को तो बेचना नहीं फिर. At least I am assuming that's.
नहीं यार, टफ होगा वो सिटी. I have a feeling students do two things. Students will say, boss, online, I will do physics wala, where I will spend 2-3 hours a day on physics wala, do all their modules. And offline, I will go to these teachers who I will meet every day. And it is not necessary that physics wala, I can do physics wala online and do, Akash or Fitji or whatever is the closest, most convenient. And, where there is comfort, my elder sibling is gone, where school ka tie up hai. You will have two very, same person will do both. And maybe there will be some overlap of syllabus, etc. But I think aisa hoga.
No, but
It won't
don't
be
you
that
think
simple.
it won't be that simple? But I am just looking at it that they will have hyper local data, they will have their centers, they would have usage patterns in terms of okay, and then I can funnel that user to the offline and say that okay, why don't you like take few
But
classes
you
here?
have to build. See, for someone whose DNA is to see, end of the day, organizations have to do what they do very well and only do that rather than kind of focus on other things. And maybe they have taken this call. I'm just saying that my job, if I do, I spike distinctively on education in certain subjects, creating content on that education and distributing it. I would much rather do that and then funnel that content and those teachers into infra that I will buy from elsewhere, as opposed to creating this infra on my own, जो मेरा core competence है भी नहीं वैसे. Even though maybe you might be able to do it with some ease.
मुझे लगता है इसमें उसमें इंटीग्रेशन में ऐसे बिजनेसेस में बहुत फाइट नहीं होती. You've seen like I have no real experience here, but I've seen Baiju Akash like operate very independently only.
Agree. You may be right. But Baiju Akash was an example of an acquisition that happened in a very weird place for Baiju. Like, I feel like if they would have integrated it well. अभी कोई example नहीं है इसका वैसे.
यार मेरे हिसाब से ना शांतनु, offline business and an online business, you've said this yourself, right? Your JTM was online, then you tried to go offline. You tried to do exactly in offline what you thought you will do in online, but then you realize that this doesn't work.
Correct.
Now you've gone back over the last 5 years, you've gone back and scaled on online, and offline पे you're basically you to get a re-PMF यार. तो तुम खरीद के PMF नहीं फिट कर सकते. You have to figure out कि तुम्हारे consumer का, and you can't suddenly get a new consumer. Brand same है ना. Physics वाला is talking to a particular archetype of students in a particular economic strata, in a particular demographic, let's say. Like, there is a very strong customer persona that you're talking to. और उसके पेरेंट्स से ही बात कर रहे हो तुम, जिसको पैसे देने हैं अपने बच्चों के लिए. तो यार, you can't suddenly force fit that because you will say कि यार विद्यासागर का क्या ब्रांड पोजिशनिंग है वो मेरा ऑफलाइन हो जाएगा. Doesn't work like that way, right? You would want to continue to build a brand out and stand for the same thing and be that consistent. If there was an emotional attachment to the way Alak taught and that was the genesis, and you want to keep that emotional association strong with entire physics wala, which still continues, I'm sure, even though they have de-risked Alak, there is a significant brand pull that the brand has that has to continue in offline also.
For
And-
me, I agree with you actually.
And I think if you split the P&Ls, I don't think they're giving the split, but if you split the P&Ls, I'm sure the losses in 24 or whatever is the lower EBITDA in 25 or the limited losses you're already seeing in 26 is all a function of offline expansion where the centers have to mature. And as the centers mature, which is what, again, if you go back to the IPO, they would be showing cohort wise ki 12 mahine plus ke center kya EBITDA bana rahe hain, which is why I think going back why people are excited ki yaar, if you go to 500 offline centers and then you let them mature and look at steady state EBITDA of each center, then this will be a very profitable business over time.
Yeah. You know what's the interesting thing about this business is that they have not played the at least in JE, they haven't played the game that most coaching classes play. These guys, like the coaching industry in JE, is just absolutely obsessed with getting the toppers to wear a t-shirt with their brand on it. Like I don't know if you've seen जब JE एडवांस का रिजल्ट आता है अगले दिन पेपर पे जो फ्लिपकार्ट Amazon का BBD के दिन जो ऐड नहीं होता है वो उतना होता है इनका, like more than that they'll take every face and that same guy will have like multiple, कभी फिटजी का टी-शर्ट पहना होगा, कभी एलन का होगा. Physics वाले doesn't play that game at all.
But
We
do they
don't care
do
about.
more tier 2? That's fine, because you don't get papers of tier 2 cities.
You think if there was JE rank 5 from physics wala, we will not know about it? We will absolutely know about it. It's not like they'll just go and do it in Bulandshahr and whatever. They'll definitely do it in Delhi. But they don't. I don't think they play that. They don't even like none of their content also even talks about it. So it's a it's a very it's a very interesting strategy, which is I'll give you great content and I'll really mentor you. What my learning outcomes have been is not something that I will sell you.
Which is good, no? Then you're setting the right expectations. You're not saying कि आप मेरे से coding सीख लो, आपका बच्चा Google में चला जाएगा. Because that was what the broader edtech market did, no? You were selling outcomes, which is why the NPS was
But
always
those are
poor.
like false outcomes. Like Alan, Akash,
no,
all
but
these
then
guys.
ड्रीम्स में फर्क होता है ना.
नहीं, but no, I'm just, yaar, I mean, broadly, this industry has, again, go back to the comment that the founder made, right? Which is, mohalla kharab hai, ladka acha hai, which is, everybody who sold outcomes by design had low retention and lower NPS. Looks like these guys have a much higher NPS and retention. I don't know if that is covered somewhere because if you don't sell outcome, then you will always have good NPS, yeah. And that's the best sign of a compounding business, by the way. कि यार इसका word of mouth CAC वैक कम ही होगा because NPS अच्छा है तो बहुत ही बढ़िया चलेगा फिर ये.
But on this creator IPO thing, by the way, I think, for example, Boat is going to get hammered. It is very likely that they.
It's
बता रहा
noise,
हूँ मैं
यार,
the.
Shantanu. It's noise, यार. यार, I'm telling
वहाँ
you,
तो कितना
retail
it's
ना.
a Warburg Pincus bought out. It's a
Yeah,
buyout fund.
they
ना?
won majority, यार. देख Shantanu, the people who move mountains of money ना, like 500,000 crore, yeah, they are not listening to this nonsense, यार. अगर होता तो यार फिजिक्स वाला पे भी होता ना, बोलो भाई एकदम बढ़िया है, कर लो. किसी को पता ही नहीं था कुछ. हो गया. अब लोग सोच रहे हैं अच्छा क्या हो गया करके, हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं बैठ के कि भाई ऐसा क्या हो गया करके.
But just the narrative. Like I think narrative matters, RB. Whether retail investor is moving it upfront or not, at some point you start building it out. It matters, boss.
Narrative from the right people who matter. Like, yeah, go back to what Naval said, right? You can be rich and anonymous or you can be poor and famous. I think the problem is a lot of the poor and famous folks are just creating a lot of noise. The signal is the people who have real money. And I think they are still taking a call based on fundamentals and objective view, which the money allocators clearly, and maybe they'll get bitten, right? Like Paytm mein ye hua hai. But see, in the end, if there is, let's go back, right? Let's say there is 5-6 lakh crore. Let's not go to each mutual fund also. Overall, there is 3-4 lakh crore to be deployed in the market. 3-4 हजार crore यहाँ वहाँ जाएगा तो, because what is happening? TCS has not given any return for 3 years. Go back and look at the alternative. What is the alternative you have? Each one of your Nifty 50 stocks has not given any CAGR return for last 3 years. Where are you going to deploy money? Do you know something very crazy? And I didn't know this, but I'm going to tell my team to research it, right? Everybody's saying our health and women's movement has arrived, etc. Because we are seeing, maybe we're in a bubble, right? We only see all the noise around, अच्छा super U एक साल में इतना बड़ा हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, protein is here, etc. Do you know pharma volumes? If you take out GLP, pharmaceutical drug volumes are growing at less than 5% volume CAGR for the last 5 years.
Are you serious?
ये डेटा मेरे को किसी और ने दिया. मैंने बोला आप क्यों एक्साइट हो रहे हो हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस?
Domestic export.
Domestic.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
So people are saying finally, outside in macro seems like the health and wellness moment is here. The preventive, see, it was always a curative market. Preventive था ही नहीं market. But preventive market is growing. Do you know protein as a market? right? Protein, and we had Samir on the pod. I think he was humble enough not to give his numbers, but Protein for them at this scale, they were, I think Muscle Blaze was 1,000 crores last year. This year they will do like 1,400 crores. To grow 40% at that scale, right? The preventive health and wellness market is here. So there are things that are happening on the consumption side that are irreversible now. And I think this momentum will only increase. The new age Indian or the digital Indian is just saying, yeah, I will not behave the same way. We've discussed this enough times. I think it's hard to take a bet against that. And yes, you may not like some management, you may not like some public perception, you may not like some, maybe some projections given but not adhered to. But it's very hard if I'm a capital allocator who's managing 2-3 lakh crores to say कि यार ये सब मैं सुनूंगा, but I will continue to buy TCS and Infosys which are flat and which will just keep doing buybacks because they have no idea what to do with the money.
No, of course.
करूँ क्या यार मैं? See, in the end, the world is not static. No, I have to allocate capital. So I think we have to be very careful on
But
getting
what are
carried
people
away with the noise.
reacting here, Shantanu? If you have heard, what are people reacting?
I don't know.
Is
I'm
it the
I'm
issue
not-
with
I'm
their
not-
resignation?
See,
Is it to do
so
with
one is
their
the-
running the company, Shark Tank? What is the issue?
So one is the founders resigning right before the IPO, which I think, I don't know why people are making a noise about, because Vivek had come in like 2-3 years back. So it's not like founders taking a back seat and doing their thing was not something that was known. That's number one. Number two is I think business has degrown. I think it's a degrowing business. So 2 years in a row, they have either like margin is degrown. I think that's the second issue. Third is on a lot of their non-core categories. I think they've not, like, it's not been successful. Like wearables in general have been difficult for most. So I'll tell you, there is India, man, there is this very strange deference to old money. So look at the example RB also gave when it's VIP and Safari, and there are these old businessmen from Calcutta and Parsis from Bombay, which have inherited money and are big. You tend to be deferent to them. You won't say, "Ki isko kyun? Why does Tata have to get so?" But when it's some young person who's like you, who by the way inspires you, who has raised some money and has gone out there and kind of done things very quickly, there is a massive tendency to troll on or hate that person because you feel ki this guy is operating out of his aukat. इनका ठीक है ऐसा, this is aristocrat and this is middle class, and there is, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I think I'll not comment on that, Shantanu, but my view is 6 months back, I had given this framework where you also play these 3 roles. You're a founder, you're a shareholder, you're a CEO today. Chirag is a founder, he's a shareholder, he's a CEO. I'm a founder, I'm a shareholder, as a CEO. Founder is an emotional state of mind. Just drop it, no? As the CEO of the business, your objective responsibility, which is what Piyush's was get the company to IPO, make all shareholders happy, and continue to execute. He is doing that. I think you should just drop the emotional state. Like, what is GA saying? GA is saying, yaar, we bought out majority. We have gotten professionals to run board. And yes, we had the founders there for a while, but now they don't have any professional need in the organization, right? They were CEO or CMO, and we have a professional CEO now. We have a professional CMO. We don't need these roles. So, ho gaya na, dekho, it's an emotional state. You will always be the founder. Even after 20 years of boat
But
exists,
market
people will
also
fondly
emotional
remember
na,
ki-
RB.
No. But I was saying, drop that state. No. If you see if the mission and the purpose still remains true, as long as physics wala is teaching millions of students, that should be your core emotional purpose, right? कि यार मेरा mission complete हो रहा है. अब 4 लोग गाली दे रहे हैं, उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तो मैं क्यों impact होगा? But if I am impacting the lives of 10 million students tomorrow and enabling better education for them, then this noise I should be able to ignore. Now, why should we give credence to this noise? That's my
हाँ
limited
मतलब
point.
बोलने वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि I think it तो in this social media world ना I think some of these negativity overrules any positive comment. One could look at it this way also कि यार it's a like जैसे Zomato में हम बोलते हैं ना it's a dependent business on Deepinder. This is a de-risk business. It's no more dependent on founders. That's the positive. They are a category leader. All of that is true. अभी वो उसको आप the other side of the coin is they have dependency on certain marketplaces, etc. But the brand is built. It's running on its own.
And it's
has
baked
its
into
own.
the valuation, ना? मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि
correct.
जो आपका देखो, the interesting part I realized is that execution risk on channel or procurement is always baked into the Excel sheet on valuations. It's actually harder to bake in a founder emotional risk. You know, there's a like tomorrow if continue, I think that's what Deepinder launched, right? If he gets so absorbed in that and he's like, yeah, longevity pe he let me spend 50% of my time, it's very hard to underwrite that eternal pe tum kya valuation haircut loge. But you know, some of these, like people give example of Infosys as, like, I know today it's not giving any great returns, but if you look at a 50 years of Infosys or a 40, 50 years of TCS, the professionalization away from founders to a high corporate governance, great management team, succession planning over 20 years is a very ideal use case for capital market allocators. I think our generation of founders, which is now all going public now, will over time figure these things out. We are just judging them too early. I just think the quest for eyeballs and the small money or the status that you get on validation with clicks and likes, that's always going to give you very extreme reactions. But the objective people who are deploying large amount of money know where the risk reward equation sits and are allocating capital that.
But yeah. Okay. Thank you, guys.